Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you're a member, I'd just like to say welcome back, and if you're a new subscriber, I'd like to say, welcome to my community. Yeah, so guys, today I'm going to give you guys a review on using benzoyl peroxide. Actually, I'm wearing makeup right now, so at the end of the video I'm going to show you how my face actually looks. It's improved. If you see it, maybe you'll think that, oh, this thing is not working, but let me tell you guys, when I went to Mombasa in April, and I came back and my face was horrible. I had like a really bad outbreak, and then I had to use benzoyl peroxide. I'd started using benzoyl peroxide earlier, but I stopped because I didn't know how to use it. I was using it wrongly, and also because there are certain reactions you get when you're using benzoyl peroxide that makes you freak out sometimes, and then you stop using it, and usually it's just the normal reaction of benzoyl peroxide when it's working on your face. So there are certain things that I usually use when I'm using benzoyl peroxide, and they're here with me. So the first thing that I actually use is the moisturizer, and the moisturizer I'm using right now is St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin moisturizer. So this is how the tin looks like. Yeah, so this is what I use to moisturize my face. You can actually buy a different one if you're not comfortable with this one. This one usually goes for 1,150. Yeah, so I buy it in town at the cosmetic shop, so you can go and check it there. 1,150. Yeah. So another thing I usually use is a sunscreen. So right now I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Lotion Sunscreen, and this one usually goes for 1,800. Yeah, I also buy it in town, so you can actually check or ask around if you don't know where to buy it. So yeah, this is what I use. And then I also use my hydrogen peroxide. Yeah, this is usually, you can buy it over the counter. You don't need a prescription to buy it, so you just go over the counter. It's usually like this one I bought for 450. Oh my god, this one I bought for 450. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. And there was one that I actually bought for, I bought for 400. Yeah, so it usually ranges from 400 to 450, just depends with your luck. Yeah, so those are the three things you need when you're using, no, the two things you need when you're using benzoyl peroxide. So when you start using benzoyl peroxide, there are certain things that you need to expect. Number one, you have to expect that your skin is going to dry out, and if you're not using it properly, you're going to be over dry. When you're putting face mask on your face and then it dries out, you cannot even move your face. Yeah, that is how your skin is going to feel. Like, it shouldn't feel that way. That's when you know there's something that you're doing wrong. So another thing you're going to expect is that you're going to have a reaction when you start using it. Yeah, so you're going to have a small reaction, and then it will definitely go away. Yeah, so and then I'm forgetting, another thing you're going to expect is that your skin is actually going to dry out and peel. That is benzoyl peroxide, working its thing. So actually benzoyl peroxide is supposed to reduce the amount of acne causing bacteria by drying and peeling your skin. So when your skin starts to peel, just know that your skin is actually improving. You're actually removing the dead skin with spots and acne. Yeah, so those are the things that you have to know when you're using benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide, you can apply it twice a day. Me, I usually apply it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening before I go to bed. And don't forget to apply your moisturizer when you're going out, and also your sunscreen must when you're going out. Yeah, so also benzoyl peroxide always keeps your pores from blockage, and those are the few things that I like about benzoyl peroxide. Your pores are never blocked. And also benzoyl peroxide does not bleach you. Previously I was using certain products that were, oh my god, that were bleaching my skin. Yeah, so benzoyl peroxide, what I like about it is that it does not bleach your skin. In fact, I think if you have a darker skin, it tends to make you a little bit darker. So I don't know if it's a good thing for you or a bad thing for you, but me, I just like the fact that it doesn't bleach your skin. So you have to use moisturizer every day and sunscreen anytime you're going out. Me personally, I just apply all of them together, because I don't even know what time I'll be going out. I might be going out to buy something at the shop there, and I don't want that sun on my skin. Yeah, and you can also use it right before bed. Like me, I told you, I usually apply it morning and evening, because some people usually ask if you can apply it when you're going to bed. Yeah, you can apply it when you're going to bed. So some of the things that you have to do when you're using benzoyl peroxide, the first time I started using benzoyl peroxide, I wasn't doing certain things right, and therefore I really had a bad reaction with benzoyl peroxide. And I'm so glad that you're able to watch this video today, so that you're able to know actually what to do. Because if you just start applying it on your face without, you know, taking precaution, you're going to end up with a terrible skin, and you're actually going to stop using it the way I did. So the first thing you have to do is actually moisturize your skin enough. Anytime you're applying benzoyl peroxide, make sure your skin is moisturized, because the way it dries your skin, you want to moisturize your face so that even if your skin is peeling, it's not going to be too dry when it's peeling. So it will become even, I think it becomes even painful, and it looks horrible. Yeah, so you want to moisturize your skin enough. So another thing you want to do is put just a little bit of it on your skin. You don't want to put a lot of it, because it's supposed to be working gradually on your face. And now the first time I was like putting a huge amount on my face, like I just wanted like instant results, and therefore I was putting a lot of it on my face, and my face was so dry, like, oh my god, I don't even want to remember. My face was like so dry. So what you want to do is apply just a small amount, like a small amount on your face, just a small amount. Don't over put it on your face. Your face is going to be so super dry, and you don't want that. So another thing is, when I was putting benzoyl peroxide the first time, someone told me that you're supposed to apply on the affected areas, which is totally wrong. You're supposed to apply the benzoyl peroxide all over your face, because benzoyl peroxide is meant to kill bacteria on your face, and therefore when you're putting on a specific place, you're leaving the other parts without benzoyl peroxide. So those other parts are going to be with the bacteria, and you're going to be working on one area. So it's advisable that you apply it all over your face. So another thing you're supposed to do is actually you're supposed to apply sunscreen. Anytime you're going out, apply sunscreen, because your face is already dry. The first time I was using benzoyl peroxide, you can imagine I wasn't moisturizing and I wasn't using sunscreen. So my face, oh my god, hey, it was like my face was just, I couldn't even look at somebody. Yeah, it was, I think I was feeling like it was even worse than the way it was. So you make sure that you wear sunscreen anytime you're going out. And also when you're washing your face, you want to use your hands. Don't use a cloth, because that cloth sometimes it also has bacteria, and it's kind of rough on your face, and therefore it's also going to give you negative results when you're using benzoyl peroxide. So when you're washing your face, try to use your hands. So like I told you, I'm going to leave a clip at the end of the videos to show you just how my face looks without makeup. It's a gradual process, like I told you. It cannot work like in a day. So my skin, from where it was when I was from Mombasa in April up to now, there's a huge change, because when I was from Mombasa, I had a really terrible sunburn and a really terrible reaction on my skin. So when you see that video, just know that actually my face my face has actually improved. Yeah, so you guys, if you follow actually what I've told you today, I hope that you guys are going to get positive results. And this video, I'm actually going to be speaking on to people who have oily skin. I don't really know about dry skin. My face is usually very oily, and it has worked for me, and that is the moisturizer that I use. But if you have dry skin, I'd recommend that you use maybe a different moisturizer for dry skin and a different sunscreen for dry skin. So guys, give my video a thumbs up if you like such videos, and please hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you're able to, you're able to know, because I'll be doing every month. I'll try and do like a review on how my face has improved. Anytime I upload a video, I'll be doing a review on how my face is improving, so that if you are starting to use it now, we'll go through this journey together. And also feel free to leave a comment. I'd like to know your reaction with benzoyl peroxide, or any question that you have that you want to ask, and I'll be willing to let you know on what I know. What I don't know, I'll tell you. Actually, I don't know the question that you ask, but if it's something that I know, I'll be able to answer you. So guys, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So see you in my next video. Guys, this is my face without the makeup. As you can see, it's not there yet, but it's like it's a big improvement compared to how my face was actually. And I really love the fact that my skin is not bleached. Yeah, this is my normal skin color. And I also like the fact that the texture on my face has really improved. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm just gonna use this wet wipe and try to wipe it out to show you that my face actually has no makeup on it. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, my face has no makeup. Yeah, so it's actually working because it's been like 2 months, and it's a gradual process. Like, you don't expect it to work like immediately. Like, you start to apply and your face actually becomes clear on within a week or so. You have to give it time, and like I told you earlier, you have to apply like a small amount because so that it works gradually. So guys, this is my face right now. This spot here is because of the benzoyl peroxide, because you tend to get a reaction. It's not actually a reaction, like you have a breakout the first time like you start using it. And I also like the texture on my face. I don't know, like if I apply makeup, it just seems perfect. Like, you can't even know that I have small spots on my face, but actually it's working. And if you haven't tried benzoyl peroxide, if you have an oily skin, I don't know about the dry skin, but if you haven't tried benzoyl peroxide and you have oily skin like mine, you better give it a try. And if you started using it and you saw or you're using it wrongly, or probably you saw a reaction like when you started using it, which is quite normal, I think you should just go back and continue to use it, because me, it's working for me. I can't complain. It's a gradual process. It can't work overnight, so there's a big improvement, and that is what you want. So guys, yeah, this is just my face.